What's going on YouTube? And this is another video. So, like, so the voxel project, um, there hasn't been any changes. All I did was make flat worlds generate a little bit better and that sort of thing. But I worked on this soundboard and yeah, I'm very sorry about missing last week, but I was really sick. But this soundboard, basically the reason why I made it was because I used to use this soundboard called SoundDux, and it does not work under Linux at all. So I created my own, and it works so much better. And like you can click on this. There isn't any sound MP3 files in this folder because I have not added MP3 support yet, unfortunately. But I can you can click on a folder and it automatically loads all the sounds in it and it lets you play them, and you can play an infinite amount of sounds, different sounds, and so on and so forth. And the main reason why I created this was not because it's better than SoundDux, which in my biased opinion it is, but because if I play a bunch of sounds in SoundDux and like eventually it'll just freeze up and crash when sounds stop playing. Look, this is completely it's just now not working. I have to close and reopen SoundDux. This, no matter how many sounds I play, I've not had it crash yet. And if it crashes, and if it and if it crashes, it gives me an error. If it gives me an error, I can see and I can fix it. I could have just fixed SoundDux and make it work under Linux, but it hasn't been updated in 6 years. So I think it's like almost 7 years now. It hasn't been updated in a really long time. So if I were to update it, all the code, it's just a very outdated code base. They're making a new version of SoundDux, and I don't want anything to do with it because SoundDux just isn't good anymore. It is not good at all. And with this one, you can capture your mic, you can stop capturing your mic, because rather than injecting audio into your microphone, like what SoundDux does, this just creates a new microphone. This literally just creates a new microphone, and it just works so much better than SoundDux. SoundDux, it crashes a lot, it lags a lot, it just does not work well. Well, this, it doesn't. And because of that, I might make it open source. I mean, the way it works is that it's a C# GUI, graphical user interface, with the backend written in C and C++. And look, it can shrink, I think, a lot smaller than SoundDux can. And you can still use it. You have to scroll, but I mean, it actually works well. I might add like a settings button, expand the size of the available sounds, the folders, and the playing sounds, and add a settings button on somewhere on the right where you click it and you can change your virtual audio device and your mic settings and that sort of thing. And the cool thing about this is that you can change your mic volume and change your sound volume. So you can have your sounds really, 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 really quiet or something like that, with your mic being really, 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 really loud or something like that. You know what I mean? Where SoundDux, you can only change the volume of your sounds because it just injects audio directly into the mic. Anyways, see you YouTube. Sorry about this video being shorter than usual, but I'm having issues with my new mic under OBS because I accidentally broke my previous one. Anyways, see you YouTube.